In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach a photo on Yahoo Mail in a quick and easy way. If you've ever wanted to send a picture through email but weren't sure where the attachment button was, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to compose a message, add your photo, and send it with confidence. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on your inbox, look for the Compose button. This is the option you use to start a brand new email. Click Compose to open a new message window. Now that your email draft is open, you'll see the message fields where you can add the recipient, subject line, and body text. Before you send anything, you need to attach your photo. To do that, look for the attach icon, which is usually shown as a paperclip. Click the attach button to open your device's file browser. When the file picker opens, browse through your folders and find the photo you want to send. This could be an image saved on your desktop, in your downloads folder, or in your pictures library. Once you locate the photo, click on it to select it. After selecting the photo, click Open. Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the image and attaching it to your email. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. You'll usually see the file appear in the message window once it's attached successfully. At this point, double check that your photo is showing correctly and that you're attaching the right file. If you want to include more than one image, you can repeat the same process and add additional photos before sending. You can also type your message in the email body so the recipient knows what the photo is about. Once everything looks good, enter the recipient's email address if you haven't already, add a subject if needed, and then click send. Your photo will be delivered along with the email. And that's all there is to it. Attaching a photo on Yahoo Mail is simple once you know where to look. And now you can do it anytime you need to send an image quickly. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.